Yun guys, oh, mag-song cover. Ayan. Too Much Love Will Kill You by Queen. Ayan. Tinanggal ko guys yung salamin ko kasi mas maganda daw ako pag walang salamin. sabi nila. Young looking daw pag walang salamin. Char! I'm just pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Ooh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what the struggle it would be. In a tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Turn me to angel lover, and the love you will be fine. Headed for disaster, it's never in the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, all I ever do is bring you joy. Ooh, I will be this champion in my dream. Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh yes! Too much love will kill you. This is sure as not at all. We're praying to power that's in you. Make you bleed and scream and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy. Get a victim of your pride. Too much love will kill you every time. Yes, too much love will kill you. It will make your life a lie. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you won't understand why. You give your life, you sell your soul, but here it comes again. Too much love will kill you in the end. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, guys. Bye, thanks for watching. God bless.